Welcome to this channel, DigiPro. So today I'm going to show us how to turn off any notification from your Google Chrome. So the tutorial of today is basically going to be about turning off notifications from your Google Chrome. So maybe if you are fond of receiving all these annoying notifications from sites and you want to stop receiving them, and you want to stop receiving them, so you quickly do what I'm about to show you, so that you can turn off a notification. So you can so after turning it off, you stop receiving any of such notification. So you quickly head on to your Chrome browser. So you open your Chrome browser. So when you open your Chrome browser, let me do it again. So when you open your Chrome browser, you go to you click on the three dots at the top right. So when you click on it, you click on settings. So now I've opened up the settings. So you quickly, if you scroll up, you see here notification. So here you see it here now. I hope you're seeing it. So click on notifications. So once you click on notifications, so you go to scroll down, you see here from here now, you see these sites. See here now, this site, the notifications are on. So from here now, you see under these sites, you see, let me show you for those, because I'm not using an arrow button to show you this, but please, as you can see, you see this general here, this general headlines. This general is like a headline. So you quickly scroll up again, you see sites. Then from that site, you see all the sites that all the notifications are turned on. You see now. So you quickly turn it off. You start to turn all of them off, as many they might be. So after turning it off, then you have successfully turned off a notification from sites. So you stop receiving notifications that they send you. If they send you any notification, it will be blocked, and you won't receive it. So that is how you can turn off a notification on your Chrome browser. There's another way I wanted to show you how to do so, but I think I've deactivated. I've already done it before, so I don't think I will receive any notification now. But peradventure, you might be going to a site and somehow you not even know when you mistakenly turned on notification, and all of a sudden you start receiving all these pop-up messages. Sites, sometimes they will start sending you some all these nude pictures, So I don't know whether you have had such case before. So if you want to turn it off, you can also follow my first step to turn off all notifications. But one thing about this first step is that this first step I showed you is that you might not, you try to recognize the site, so that when you head on to your Chrome browser, you quickly locate the site and turn off the notification, like I showed you now. Or the second method, which I might not be able to show you because I might not. I've stopped receiving those messages because I've deactivated it, and I'm sure I have not activated anyone. But the second method is that normally if they send you all those notifications, it will be appearing here like I showed you here. All those notifications will be appearing at the when you scroll down. When you swipe down, you see all those notifications. So if you want to deactivate such notification, you normally, when they send you when you see that notification, you will see you will see a down like a down arrow, a down arrow button. I hope you are seeing it with me. So if you click on that down arrow button, you click on edit. Yes, you normally see when you click on it, it will show you more. Then it will show you more things. Then and edit is one of them. So when you click on edit, from there you can now turn off the notification. Turn off the notification. So that's how easy you can turn off notification on your Chrome browser. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you keep on receiving updates from us, and also remember to turn on the bell notification icon, so that press that bell notification icon so that you always be receiving updates from us. Thank you and have a nice day.